During these tough economic times, Recovery Act tax cuts are helping hard-hit middle-class families. Already, tax refunds are up an average of about $250 this year, due in large part to the Recovery Act. I'm here to walk you through the new Recovery Act tax savings tool, which makes it easier to see exactly how you can benefit. You can find this new tool at whitehouse.gov/recovery. For this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate the Recovery Act tax cuts that could be available for a typical middle-class family. For income, I'll select $50,000 to $100,000. 95% of working families are eligible for the Making Work Pay tax credit. Most people are receiving this credit in the form of a reduction in the taxes that are withheld from their paychecks. Everyone who qualifies should fill out IRS Schedule M. Let's say you have a kid in college. You may qualify for the American Opportunity Credit. This is a $2,500 education credit for tuition and other college expenses. If you are a student or worker who doesn't make enough money to file a tax return, you may still be eligible to get up to $1,000 back. This question addresses the first-time homebuyer credit for $8,000. The tax tool informs me that the credit is still available through May 1st of this year, and there are even some credits available for long-time homeowners who are purchasing a new home. If you made any home improvements last year, like putting in new windows or insulation, you may be eligible for a Recovery Act tax credit for 30% back on those expenses up to $1,500. I can take advantage of this tax credit in 2010, and credits for certain improvements extend all the way to 2016. If you bought a new car, light truck, motorhome, or motorcycle, you can get back a portion of the fees and state and local taxes that were paid at the time of the purchase. The Recovery Act provided much-needed relief for hard-hit middle-class families by increasing unemployment benefits and reducing COBRA costs by 65%. If you had an unexpected job loss since the beginning of last year and collected unemployment benefits, you can get money back on the federal taxes paid on the first $2,400 of those benefits. If you had dependent children in 2009, the Recovery Act amended the child tax credit to expand the number of eligible families and increase the amount for other families. Clicking on View Your Checklist generates a customized checklist of all of my yes answers. Each item on the checklist also points to the form where you can claim the credit. Many tax software makers offer a feature that will generate these forms for you as well. From here, I can print a hard copy or PDF for personal use or to bring to my tax preparer. So there you have it. We've designed this tax tool to make it easier for you to see exactly how you can benefit from Recovery Act tax credits this season. With Recovery Act's nearly $300 billion in tax benefits, we're helping to rebuild the long-term strength of the economy while helping middle-class families get back on firm financial footing.